Why you should eat sprouted grains. Sheeta Davis again, really nourish. Hello, nourishers. Hey, what you know about sprouted grains? Like when you see that bread in the freezer section. Well, wheat is a grain, right? And grains are seeds. When seeds sprout, their treasure chest of nutrients pop open to release all the vitamins and stuff that are going to nourish the new baby plants. So if you think about it, eating sprouted grains is giving you both whole grain and vegetable plant power in their purest form. A sprouted grain Smart Pocket stuffed with veggies was a simple, tasty, really nourishing breakfast for Benji and I did locally grown cucumbers tossed in apple cider vinegar, both organic, and sauteed spinach and string beans. It was so delicious. And I'm so glad I could find the sprouted pockets in Dominica, the nature island of the Caribbean. Clearly he's glad too. Esh my little sprouts.